Fish on, guys. Fish on. Big rainbow. Oh no. Oh no. Big wild brownie. We're somewhere in the Little Lehigh. This is a wow. Is that a big trout or what? Hope he doesn't zap me. There's spots on that guy. He's a beauty. Let's put him back here. Got to be around that 15, 16 inch range. There he goes. Huh? Come on, guys. Got me another trout here. Yep, nice brownie. There he is. A little wild brown. Here in the Little Lehigh, Allentown, Pennsylvania. This is in the Parkway now. And well, Harry, while he likes to be fishing, he decided to go home. So I'm here by myself, and I don't live far from here, so I don't mind being here by myself. I can walk home from here. And look at that beautiful little wild brown. Look at the fins and everything on that thing. That is so beautiful. So beautiful when you get a naturalized fish like this. I'm gonna get him off. That's why I like using the jig. Does a good job, but it's not always easy for me to get him off. There he is. He's off. All right, so here's that nice little brownie. We're gonna put him back. There he goes. Vamos. Fish on, guys. We got a fish. Got another one, Harry. See, you should have stayed with me. I told you we'd have got into a couple of fish. Comes another one of those naturalized browns. That's what he is. Nice little brownie. There we go. Nice fish. Nice little fish. Get him off here quick. Get a little how you do, huh? How you do, and then we're gonna get him off. Get him back in the water. It's a beautiful little fish, isn't he? He's about maybe 9 inches. There he goes. And he's going. He didn't hang out long. All right. Should have kept Harry down here, but he didn't want to stay with me. He was so bit much of a hurry to get out of here because he had to go take a nap. I don't blame him. It's not the best of weather, and you know, I don't think trout fishing is one of those things that Harry's all that good at. Maybe he catches them, but he catches them when they're stocked. These aren't stocked anytime recently. These are maybe a couple years ago. Most of these are, what I'm catching is wild trout, which means they're trout that are either naturalized into the stream or were born in the stream, and or they've been here so long that they just reverted back to being wild again. So hey, we're gonna go back and see if we can get another one. It's still got a little bit of time here before it gets dark, and hey, never know, maybe we get a big one. Beautiful place, getting ready for the lights in the Parkway over there. That'll be opening up soon. I think they open that the Saturday after or Friday after Thanksgiving. Not sure, but something like that. And it's open through Christmas into I think maybe up until New Year's Eve, and then it closes. So the fish has been pretty good so far. I've caught 3. Could be some stockies in here, but I'm kind of on the wrong side of the creek to be fishing here. Should probably go over to the other side, and then I could fish a little bit better. But been pretty good so far. Let me give it a try here. See if we get anything. Fish on, guys. Oh, he was a big one too. Oh, man, he was a nice trout. Well, we'll see if we get another one. I know maybe you don't believe me, but it's probably a big giant one that they put in there stockied. Let's see if we get another bite like that. Fish on, guys. Yeah, I got a little brownie or something here. Woohoo! There he is. Look at that. Wow. He's fighting good. Huh? Yeah. Nice little brownie. Look at that. Huh? Woohoo! Look at that spots on that boy. Wow. I don't know, Harry. You're missing out. Harry's missing out on some excellent trout fishing. That can't be helped. That's Harry's choice to go home and mine to stay, right? Let's get this guy off. See what I got here, guys? I got a tape measure. We're going to see how big that brownie was if we can get hold of him without Ron falling in the water. It fell down here on the bank, but it's still there. So I'm going to get him up here, get a measurement on him, and then we'll put him back. All right? There he is. Calm down there, Mr. Fish. Let's get a measurement on one of these. See how big a brownie he really is. There we go. And that's back there. He's a 10.5 inch fish. 10.5 inches. And there he goes. Back. And hopefully he gets all righted out and swims away, I'm hoping. Yep. He's going. He said, "See you later." See ya, because I wouldn't want to be back to the stream, all right, from which he came. Okay, let's get another.